So hey guys, welcome back to my channel for tutorials. So guys, today I will teach you how to create new style of science fiction city with using JS displacement texture. So first of all guys, click on here and select object and delete. I'm going to take a plane, yeah, and increase plane size. So size guys simple 3 and 3, yeah, right. Okay, so next one guys, go on here, shader editor. Guys, I create displacement city type effect. So click on new material, yeah, and zoom in, yeah. Okay, so now guys, go to add and use displacement and select this displacement texture. Guys, I have JS displacement texture. I show you. See guys, that's my JS displacement texture, right? And second one, dotted texture. Okay, so guys, select your texture, drag and drop on here. Yes, simple. So guys, select this color, texture, and connect with height, and this displacement connect with here, displacement map, yeah. And guys, click on here, yeah. And guys, I change render setting, use cycle, yeah. And feature set, guys, use experimental, yeah. And device, I use GPU, yes. And guys, next one, I go to here, that's my modifier, and use subdivision surface, this one, yeah. And simple guys, viewport level I increase, yes, and render same increase, I like 5 and 5, right? Okay, so now guys, go to material and setting, guys, displacement, this one, and use displacement and bump, yeah. See, okay, so now guys, I use area light. So select your area light and up like this, and increase light power randomly 1000 is good, yes, right. Okay, so guys, I change also color, base color, this one guys, that's my base color. I like dark gray color, yes. See, but guys, see, that's not correct, it's not looking so good. So again, go to modifier and guys, one more time, add and use subdivision survey second time, yes. And same guys, level viewport I use 5 and render use 5, yes. See guys, that's really good, it's much better, right? See, that's my science fiction JS displacement texture city. Okay, so now guys, all is good. So I take camera, so use camera, yes. And guys, set your camera angle, so choose your camera angle like this, yeah, it's also good. So closer, yes. Okay, see guys, that's my camera angle is good, really good. So guys, shortcut command is for camera, control alt and press 0, yes. See guys, that's my camera angle, and select your camera. So guys, focal length I use 35 mm, yeah, it's really good, right? Okay, so now guys, I create new style of material shader. So guys, this time I use mix material, mix shader, this one, and connect with mid one like this. See guys, that's my BSD principle and material output, and connect with mix shader. Okay, so next one guys, I use animation, yes. And guys, go to up. So guys, select your animation, this one, and connect with shader, last one, yes. So now use color ramp. So guys, select your color ramp, and guys, firstly connect with strength like this, and same guys, this color ramp connect with face, this one, Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys, this time I use ambient occlusion. So ambient occlusion, check, and guys see that's my color, connect with color ramp. Yeah, and now guys I change only color. See guys, that's my color. So color you can take anyone, but I like orange color. And one, yes, see guys, that's my orange color. Okay, so guys now I change some setting on color ramp, this one. So guys select this mid one and change position like this. Yeah, guys select your color. I like full white is good. Okay, so guys click on here, add new checker box, and third one guys use black color. Black. Yes. And guys little bit increase size, position change little bit. Yeah, right. Okay, so now guys you can also increase distance, this one I like 20 randomly. Yeah, it's good. So guys little bit down, and guys it's take little bit time for rendering. Yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful shader effect, right? Okay, so now guys go to up, I apply dotted texture. So guys go to here and use, and guys this time I use color ramp, same color ramp, select, and guys select this color ramp, connect with animation, this one. Yeah, and guys use dotted grid texture, go to JS displacement. Yeah, and guys select this color ramp, connect with here, and yeah, all is good. So guys select your this one texture and press Ctrl T. Use mapping. Yes, see guys, that's my mapping. And scale size I like 5, all 5. Yeah, that's my grid texture, right? Okay, so guys closer. Yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful shader effect, right? Okay, so now guys go to here, light. I change some setting on light. Yeah, light is good. Guys, you can increase also size, it's depend your work. Like 1.5 is good, and power 1000 is good. Okay, so next one guys, I apply glow light. So for glow light I use plane. Yes, and guys little bit down like this, and decrease size. So press S letter like this, and guys I change only position. Yeah, and go to up, right? Okay, so guys now I create glow material for this plane. So select this plane and material. Guys create new material. Yeah, and use surface. Guys surface I use emission. Yes, and color guys same, I use orange color. The color code is 0.025 and S I like 1. Yes, and strength guys I use 20 is good. Simple. Yeah, and change guys position. So go to here, position change like this, little bit up and more. Yeah, see guys, that's my beautiful simple glow effect, right? Okay, so guys now I take one more plane, so duplicate. Yeah, and select this plane too. So go on here, right side. I change only position and little bit up guys. Select and little bit up, and it's too much. Yes, it's better. Yeah, it's good. Okay, so guys see, that's my simple glow light effect. Guys now I create one more light effect. So this time I use cube. I use cube. Yeah, and check box here. See guys, that's my cube, and change cube size. guys, select your cube and size. See guys, that's my scale size. I like 0.005 0.005 and Z1 I like 2. Yes, see guys, that's my simple cube size, right? Okay, so now guys, go to here cube and I apply array modifier, this one, yeah, and count I like 4. So increase like this. Guys, go to camera. Yeah, it's good, right? Okay, so guys, now duplicate this cube, press Ctrl C and V and go to here and only change position. Yes, really good, right? See, so select this one, more closer, right? And guys, you can increase also size, that's my position, and select this one, increase. Yeah, really good, right? Okay, so guys, save your project, it's most important part. So save, and guys, again click on here, viewport, render viewport. Yes, and yeah, all is good. So guys, go to last one, that's my background. So color I use Z black. Yeah, right? Okay, so guys, my final project is really good. That's my science friction city. Go to render setting and guys, go to here render. Guys, you can increase more render like 256, but this time I use only 128. Okay, so guys, go to here denoise and render check and use open image denoise. Yes, and guys, I change size for fast rendering 1280 by 720 pixels, 720. Yeah, and guys, go to here render and render image check. Okay, so guys, now I change one more setting. So close your render and select your this one plane. So go to up. So go to up like this. Yeah. So guys, go to here color ramp, that's my animation, and guys, select your second checker box, white one, and change this time same color. So S letter same like 1. Yeah, and guys, change position also. Yes, see guys, that's my simple color. It's my really cool material, right? Okay, so guys, now I also apply material on this cube. So select your cube and material. Guys, use same this one material and go to cube 2. So apply same material. Yeah, right? So click on here. See guys, that's my simple setting, right? So guys, go and render and save your project and go to render and image render. Okay, so see guys, that's my final render. It's looking really beautiful, right? Now I apply a simple glow effect. So close and compositing, use node and use glare effect, glare, and second one viewer node. So closer, guys, glare connect with image and this image connect with glare, simple. And fog, use medium to high, and glow effect I use 9, and go to render and use viewer node, this one. Yeah, okay, so see guys, that's my looking really beautiful material, right? It's looking really science fiction effect, right? So save your project and desktop like simple rand, that's my final render. Save your project. So guys, that's it, my final effect is finished. So if you like my video, please share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.